Hi everyone, welcome back to my next quote to live your life by. Today we're continuing on the theme of how to break the power of consumerism in our lives, and why should we break the power of consumerism in our lives and adopt a simple, minimal life. Today we have a quote by Alexander Sattler, and he said, "I would rather own little and see the world than own the world and see little of it." I really enjoy that quote. I think it's something that will help us to live better, fuller, and richer lives. So, would you rather have a whole lot of things, but all those things become a prison that don't allow you to move around and see the world? Or would you rather own few things, but have the freedom that few things give you and be able to move and travel? When you own a house and a lot of things, you can't, unless you're one of the very few who are wealthy among us, and there are not many of those. You can't go ahead and be on your own and travel on your own and be independent. You have a boss now because you need the money the boss has, and you need to go to work every day and make him happy and please him, and then ask him, "Please, I'd like to go somewhere and travel the world and see these things. There's something over, I'd like to take a week and go see this, or go take a month and go there and do that. I'd like to take the summer off and go and do that." He laughs at you and says, "Are you crazy? No, you got to work. I'm paying you. You're here. You're mine. You belong to me." I would rather own little and see the world than own a lot and not be able to see the world at all. And the logic of that is inescapable. Which is more important to you at this moment or any given moment? Owning things or being independent and being able to travel and see the world? To me, that's just a foregone conclusion. I would rather own little and see the world than own the world and see little of it. What's the point of owning a bunch of stuff if you can't enjoy it? And you're stuck getting more to pay for the stuff that you have. It becomes a prison. I would rather own little and see the world than own the world and see little of it. If that's true for you, and I think it must be, that's why you're at this channel, van dwelling is a way to do it. You have to get rid of a whole bunch of stuff. You can't be a consumerist. You have to be you have to embrace simple living and minimalism. But if you do, you can see the world. It's your option. It's your choice. It's a method. It's a means. It's a hope and a way to go forward. If that's something you want to do, I hope you'll give van dwelling a lot of thought. Folks, if you got anything out of this quote, and I hope you did, like us on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, and we'll see you on the next quote to live your life by.